So here I got some online pickups. Let's see what came in. I think I got a couple things coming in this week. I'm able to get a couple videos out. Still got some other older videos that I already have filmed or recorded. I'll be getting those out. Alright, this is the Lyle Tap Socket Set. There's the part number. I do have like a multi-tap socket, which are really huge, so I wanted to get these because, you know, they're a little bit smaller compared to, I think the other ones are Irwins or something like that. But yeah, they're all adjustable, but these I like because they're like dedicated individually. And has a nice little carrying case, I guess. I'm sure you've seen these. Yeah, nice little set. And then there's some specs if you need. Yeah, these are nice to have. Right, next up, I've seen this, and I saw good reviews on it, but it's an electric screwdriver kit. I thought these were just always nice to have for you know, little projects. But yeah, people seem to like it, and it was definitely cheap enough. I was gonna try the skill one, but you know, this popped up and it seemed pretty decent. Comes with the user manual. Definitely a nice little case, that's for sure. Decent hinges. Definitely hard plastic. Little thank you card, instructions. Let's. See, nicely organized. Comes with some sockets and bits. Everything has a place. The charger. Most of the time, it doesn't even come with the wall adapter. Just the power cord, but it also comes with some drill bits. Let's see, what is that? 1.5 and a 2.5, and then a bit extension. Nice little case. Let's see. Here you got the charging port. So I got the different speeds on it. So 1 through 6. And, there's no on-off power button. Okay, so you just hold it down, hold the up button down to turn it on. It does have LEDs on it. Yeah. Decently bright. So I'm guessing it's got the nice rubber overmold on it. Little like perforations here, so you can get a good grip. But it feels good in hand. You know, you can hold it different ways. But yeah, I want to give this a little test, see how powerful it is. So I just wanted to give this a little test, see what it's all about, I guess. This is out the box. I was showing 2 bars before, but now it's showing 3 bars. It's got some screws here, some drywall and some wood screws. I mean, the magnet in it is not too bad. Not gonna fall out. Let's try this one. I got it in there. It did shut off, but did it. Let's try this one. Should do this one no problem. Nice. Yeah, that's showing 2 bars. 2 bars, 2 bars. Let's try this long one, I guess. I don't know if it'll do it, but nope. Not that long, but just wanted to see what it could and couldn't do. Not the greatest of bits, but I've got bits to replace those. But for what it is and what it cost me, I think it's nice for the little projects. You're not going to be using extreme torque to, get long screws or lags or whatnot. But yeah, this is for the little projects. I think it's going to be nice. Alright, so let's check out what I got in this little pickup. First up, got this Scotch brand 3M Vhp tape, double-sided tape. It's supposed to be a little bit stronger. I guess the VHP is supposed to be like some more heavy-duty type deal. So I'm gonna try this out. It wasn't that much. And got some rubber jack pads because the ones on my jack either wore out and I don't have any on there. So this 2. It came in a 2-pack. Definitely seem decent. Seem like they'll hold up. And I like it's got the grooves, so you can put it where the frame rail is and all that. But yeah, not too bad. Picked up another Chemical Guys interior quick detailer. Really like this stuff, like the smell, so cheap enough. It's like 10 bucks. And then I wanted to try out their leather cleaner. I've seen mixed reviews on it, so I just figured I'd try it out for myself. I'm not too sure about this conditioner. Maybe try it on a little spot of the leather. We'll see how that goes, but yeah, that wasn't too bad. Lastly, I picked up some super thin wrenches. This is the metric from Duratech. And I don't have any thin wrenches, and I figured I'd try these out. Do like the other wrenches that I have from Duratech, so hopefully these are decent, I guess. It's not often you're going to really use these, but it's nice to have. And they do definitely have a nice assortment of hand tools. especially for the price. But yeah, this goes from a 5.5 to a 27. And it goes 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Skips 15 and 16 and 18 and 20 and 24, 25, 26, 25, 26 are skipped. Yeah, they definitely, wow, they almost don't even seem like they're metal. They're so thin. It's crazy how light they are. But as you can see, the finish is really nice on these. They're so thin. Let's compare them real quick. So I got my gear wrench here and a Capri. You can see how these Capri is definitely a little bit thinner. And then I'll grab. It's crazy how skinny these are, but I guess if you need them, it's nice to have. They are like they're pretty bulky, like width-wise. And not that much more than I guess a normal size, but yeah, 27 is pretty large. Sure, you can't put too much torque on these, that's for sure. But comes in a nice little pouch. Definitely keep it in this rolled up if you ever need it. Even the stamping on the small size is really nice. They definitely have decent quality. But, yeah.